Let us consider some more examples. Check whether 301 is a term of the AP 35, 11, 17, 23. Here first term A is 5, D common difference 11 minus 5 6. We have to check 301 is a term of the AP. Therefore, let 301 be a term. Let us say nth term of this AP. Let 301 be a nth term of this AP. We know that nth term is given by, or general term is given by, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here an we have taken as 301. First term is 5. N is, we have to find nth term, or 301 is a term of the AP. D common difference is 6. 5 plus 6n minus 6. It implies 6n minus 6 plus 5, 1. Therefore 301 is equal to 6n minus 1. Therefore n is equal to 301 plus 1. Take minus 1 right hand side. 301 plus 1, 302 divided by 6. 3 2s are 3 1s are 3 5s are 151 by 2. That is n is equal to 151 by 2. Here 151 by 2. N is 151 by 2, but n should be a positive integer. N should be a positive integer. So 301 is not a term of given AP. Next example, check whether minus 150 is the term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2. Let us solve this problem. Here first term A is equal to 11, common difference D is equal to second term minus first term 8 minus 11 minus 3. Let an is, let minus 150 be a term, say nth term of this AP. Then we know that nth term is given by an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We have taken an as minus 150. A first term is 11, n minus 1, d is minus 3. Here 11 minus 3n minus minus plus 3, minus 3n minus minus plus 3, plus 11 plus 3, plus 11 plus 3, plus 14. That is minus 150 minus 14 minus 164. So it implies n is equal to 164 by 3. 164/3. Here also n is not a natural number. Since n is not the natural number, therefore it is not a term of given AP. Since n is not the natural number, therefore minus 150 is not a term of given AP. But here n should be a positive integer. N must be a positive integer. Therefore minus 150 is not a term of given AP. Let us consider next example. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. Here given 17th term means A17 is of an AP exceeds 10th term A10. 10th term A10 by 7 plus 7. Find D, common difference. We know A plus A and 17 minus 1D. A17 is A plus 17 minus 1 into D. Using nth term of AP is equal to A10 means A plus 10 minus 1 into D. In the place of A10 we can write A plus 10 minus 1 into D plus 7. A plus 17 minus 1 16, 16D. Here also same 10 minus 1 9D. A plus 9D plus 7. For here A cancel. 16D plus 9D plus 16D minus 9D 7D is equal to 7. Therefore common difference D is 7 by 7. D is equal to 1. Common difference is 1. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. Given 31st term is A31 of an AP whose 11th term is. Find the 31st one of AP whose 11th term A11 is 38 and the 16th term is 73. Given A11 is equal to 38, A16 is equal to 73. A11 means A plus 11 minus 1 into D. A16 is 38. A plus 16 minus 1 into D is 73. Therefore it implies A plus 10D is equal to 38. Let us take equation 1. A plus 15D is equal to 73. Solving the pair of linear equations 1 and 2, we get equation. Solving these two linear equations, we get equation 2 minus equation 1. We get A plus 15D is equal to 73. A plus 10D is equal to 38. (5D) 15 minus 10 5 plus 5D 73 minus 38 35 plus 35. Therefore D is 35 by 5 is equal to 7. D is 7. Put the value of D in equation 1. We get a plus 10 into d 7 is equal to 38. A plus 70 is equal to 38. 38 minus 70. Take 70 right hand side. Minus 70. Is minus 32. We have to find the 31st term. Therefore, A31 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. A plus 31 minus 1 into d. A plus 30d. A minus 32 plus 30 d7 minus 32 plus 210 plus 178. Therefore, 31st term is 178. Next example, which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than its 54th term? Given A is first term 3, common difference D, second term minus first term 15 minus 3, 12. Also given which term of the AP will be 132. Nth term will be 132 more than its 54th term. Here nth term of AP is equal to 132 plus 54th term, A54. Substitute an nth term of AP, A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 132 plus A plus 54 minus 1 into d. Here A 3 plus n minus 1 into d 12, 132 plus A 3 plus 53 d 12. Here d 12. Therefore 3 plus 12n minus 12 is equal to 132 plus 3 plus 53 into 12, 636. 53 into 12, 636. Here 132 plus 3 plus 636 is 771. Here 3 minus 12 minus 9. Therefore 12n is equal to 77 plus 9 is 780. Therefore n is equal to 780 by 12. 12 ones are 12 6 are 72, 12 5 are. Therefore n is equal to 65. P. Therefore required term is 65th term of the given AP. Next example, find the 20th term from the last term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 253. Let us write the given AP in the reverse order. Let us write the given AP in the reverse order to find the 20th term from the last term of the AP 253, 13, 8, 3. Here first term is 253. Common difference is 8 minus 13 minus 5. With this first term and common difference, we can find 20th term from the last term of the AP. We know nth term of AP, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. 20th term A20, A 253 plus 20 minus 1 D minus 5. 253 plus 19 into minus 5. 253 minus, here 19 5s are 95. 253 minus 95, 158. Therefore 20th term is 158. Next example, find the 11th term from the last term of the AP 10, 7, 4, minus 62. Let us write the given AP in the reverse order to find the 11th term from the last term of the AP. Minus 62, 4, 7, 10. For this AP, first term is minus 62, common difference is 7 minus 4 is 3. Nth term A plus N minus 1 into D. 11th term A11, A minus 62 plus 11 minus 1 D 3 minus 62 plus 10 into 3 minus 62 plus 30 is minus 32. Therefore A11 is minus 32, or 11th term from the last term of the AP is minus 32. Next important question, how many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? The list of 2-digit numbers divisible by 3 is 12, 15, 18, to last term is 99. 2-digit numbers which are divisible by 3, 99. This is AP. Here first term 12, common difference second term minus first term 3, obviously 3. 2-digit number is divisible by 3. Here last term or nth term AN 99. We have AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. A means 12 plus N minus 1 into D 3, 99. 12 plus 3N minus 3 is equal to 99, or 3N plus 9. 3N plus 9 is equal to 99. It implies 3N is equal to 99 minus 9, 90. N is equal to 90 by 3, or 30. Therefore N is equal to 30. So there are 30 2-digit numbers divisible by 3. So there are 30 2-digit numbers divisible by 3. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? The list of multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250 is 12, 16, 20, here 248. This is an AP of multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250. First term 12 common difference 16 minus 12 4 an, nth term of AP or last term 248, a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 248, 12 plus n minus 1 into d 4 is equal to 248, 12 plus 4n minus 4 is equal to 248, 4n plus 12 minus 4 plus 8 is equal to 248, 4n is equal to 248 minus 8, 240. Therefore n is equal to 240 by 4, 4 ones are 4 6, therefore n is equal to 60. So there are 60 multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250. Next example, how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? List of numbers, list of 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7 is first term 105, 112, 119 up to 994, 3-digit number. Here A first term 105, D 7 divisible by 7, therefore D 7, last term an 994, a plus n minus 1 into d, a means 105 plus n minus 1 d 7 is equal to 994, 105 plus 7n minus 7, 7n 105 plus 105 minus 7 plus 98 is equal to 994. Therefore 7n is equal to 994 minus 98. 994 minus 98, 896. Therefore n is equal to 896 by 7. 7 ones are 7 twos are 7 eights are 128. Therefore n is equal to 128. 128 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. Next type of example, an AP consists of 50 terms of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. Given AP consists of 50 terms, therefore number of terms 50, n is equal to 50, of which third term is 12, third term A3 is equal to 12, and the last term is 106, last term AN 106. Find the 29th term. A29 is equal to how much? Find the 29th term. Therefore A3 is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D 12. Here AN, here A50 is equal to 106. N means 50. A50 is equal to 106. A50 can be written as A plus 49D. 50 minus 1, 49. D 106. Equation 1, equation 2. Solving the pair of linear equations 1 and 2, we get equation 2 minus equation 1. We get A plus 49 D is equal to 106. A plus 2D is equal to 12. $47D plus 106 minus 12, 94. D is equal to 94 by 47. 47 ones are 47 twos are. D is equal to 4. D is equal to 2. Therefore common difference is 2. Put the value of D2 in 1. Substitute 2 in 1. We get A plus 2 into 2 is equal to 12. Put D is equal to 2 in 1. A plus 4 is equal to 12. A is equal to 14 minus 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4, 8. A is 8. We have to find A29. A29. A plus A29 is equal to A plus 29 minus 1 into D, 28D. A 8 plus 28 into D, 2. 8 plus 28 loses 56, 64. A29, therefore A29 is equal to 64. Next example, if the third and ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? Given third and the ninth terms, third term and ninth terms, A9, 4 and minus 8 respectively, for which term of this AP is 0? Which term? That is AN is equal to 0. We have to find N if there is any N for which AN is 0. If there is any N for which AN is 0. Let us solve first. A3, A plus 2D is equal to 4. Equation 1. A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. Equation 2. Let us solve the pair of linear equations. Equation 2 minus equation 1, we get A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. A plus 2D is equal to 4. 8D plus 6D is equal to minus 12. Therefore D is equal to minus 2. D is equal to minus 2. Put the value of D in 1. We get A plus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 4. A minus 4 is equal to 4. Therefore A is equal to 8. Minus 4 right hand side, take minus 4 right hand side, plus 4 plus 4, 8. We have to find AN is equal to 0, for which if there is any N for which AN is 0. Let AN is equal to 0. A plus N minus 1 into D. If there is any N for which AN is equal to 0, A is 8 plus N minus 1, D is minus 2 is equal to 0. 8 minus 2N plus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 2N plus 10 is equal to 0. Minus 2N is equal to minus 10. Therefore N is equal to 10 by 2, 5. Therefore A5, fifth term is 0. Fifth term of this AP is 0. AP is 0. A5 is 0.